So you've been sent a gift certificate. Lucky you. Now, we're sure you want to use it, and this video will walk you through just that. The best part about our gift certificates is that you can use them across our entire family of brands to purchase gift baskets, flowers, cake, or alcohol gifts. First, you'll want to locate the gift certificate code by clicking the link in the body of the email or text message sent to you. Once there, you'll see certificate hashtag followed by your unique code. You're ready to shop once you have located your gift certificate code. Head over to the site you'd like to shop on. For this video, we'll be using gift baskets overseas.com to start the journey of finding your gift. Use the drop-down under Step 1, Delivery Location, to select your country of delivery. Filling out Step 2, Occasion, and Step 3, Delivery Date is optional. Once you've chosen the correct delivery country, click the Find Gifts button to go to that country's catalog. From there, you'll be met with a variety of gifts to choose from. You can narrow down your search by using the categories or the search bar at the top of the page. Once you've selected the gift or gifts you'd like to receive, simply add them to your card. Keep in mind that if your total is more than your gift certificate balance, you will have to pay the difference. Take care to choose a gift that is as much as your gift certificate amount, or more, as any unspent gift certificate amount cannot be used later. Once you're happy with the contents of your cart, you can apply your gift certificate. Once you are in your cart, simply put your code in the field above the gifts called Coupons and Offer Codes and hit Apply. You'll see the balance reflected and can then click the Continue to Checkout button. From here, you'll go through our checkout process as usual. The only difference is that your information will be both the sender's and recipient's information. You'll find that you have another chance to put in your gift certificate code on the review page if you forgot to at the start of checkout. Scroll down to your order total and click on Enter a Coupon or Promotional Code. A pop-up will appear where you will enter your certificate code. Please note that you cannot use a gift certificate and a discount code or other coupon. Our system will only recognize one code per order. You'll see your gift certificate amount deducted from the total. If this does not completely pay for the gift, you will need to enter an alternate form of payment on the following page to complete the order. If the gift is totally paid for, you will still see the payment page, but there will be no need to enter any payment details. Now that you're done checking out, it's time to sit back, relax, and wait for your goodies to arrive at your door. Our team will keep you updated every step of the way.